Today I'm going to show you how to make this really cool, huge spider. Perfect for Halloween. We're going to use a pack of these black flexible pipe cleaners and a furry black pom-pom. Start by lining up 4 of the pipe cleaners next to each other, like this, and use another one to wrap around them in the centre and fix them together. Leave the ends poking out of the front about 2 inches. Next we need to take our pom-pom and we're going to mount it to the back of the spider here. We'll use a pipe cleaner wrapped around to make a differentiation between the head and the body. Then fix it to the legs. You can see the body of the spider is really fluffy. If you like, you can leave it like that, or use some scissors to trim it a little. I gave mine quite a good haircut. Next, I'm bending these bits at the front in half to make them the same length. These are called the pedipalps, and I believe they're for sensing things and for handling prey. Next, I'm spacing out the legs, and you can see how furry and uniform they look. To make them look slightly more realistic, I'm using a lighter to melt the very tips of the legs to make them become pointed. Make sure you allow it to cool before touching it again. I did this to all of the legs and then put 2 more intermediate marks up and down each leg to give them a bit more definition. And I also used the lighter over the body to even out any of the pom-pom fluff. Once it's cooled down, bend the legs into shape. And there's our huge, creepy spider finished. And it looks really good. I made this smaller one exactly the same way, but I cut down the legs to make them shorter. I decided to turn this one into a red-knee tarantula, so I took an orange pipe cleaner, wrapped it around the bottom of the leg a few times, and cut it off. I did 3 orange stripes on its leg, then cut some more lengths to do the same on each leg. And it already looks really cool. I carefully ran the lighter over them so they're not too fluffy, and used another orange pipe cleaner to put a stripe around its head. Because it looks a bit too orange at the minute, I decided to use a Sharpie to dull it down a little. Bend the legs into position, and that's our spiders complete. Pretty creepy, huh? They're great fun to make and would make a perfect addition to a Halloween party. You could hang them up on a piece of string, or put them on a fake spider's web. Or hide them somewhere to play a prank on someone. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.